Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw Hello Kitty. So, to start off, we're actually going to begin with her bow. So, starting up here, I'm going to draw her bow. So first we want to begin with a circle like this. Then, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, down, and then back up like this. Then I'm going to draw another line over here that goes up, down, and then back up like this. Then I'm going to draw two little half circles inside the bow. So now what we need to do is we need to draw her face. So first I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw an ear. So I'm going to draw a line that goes up a little bit and then back down. Then I'm going to draw a line right here that curves a little bit. And then I'm going to draw her other ear. So I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then it's going to curve back down. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a big oval shape that comes all the way back up to the bow. Now for her face. So first over here I'm going to draw an oval, and then over here I'm going to draw another oval, and then I'm just going to color these in. Then I'm going to draw a small oval in the center. Then I'm going to give her some whiskers. So I'm going to draw one line here, then one line here, and then one line here. Then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to put one over here, one over here, and then one over here. Next, I want to draw her body. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw a little line down. And then over here, I'm going to draw that same line, but I'm going to make it much longer. Then I'm going to draw this down a little bit more. Then I'm going to make a big oval shape right here for one of her feet. Then over here, I'm just going to curve this line around and up. Then I'm going to draw a little line right here for her foot. And then I'm going to make a little line that goes down, over, and then comes back up for her dress. Now, over here, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that curves down, goes up a little bit for a thumb, and then curves back around like that. Then I'm going to draw a little line right here for her sleeve. Then over here, I'm going to draw a line that comes out, little bump for her thumb. Then I'm going to curve this back around here. Then I'm going to draw a little line for her sleeve. And there you go. There is your drawing of Hello Kitty. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.